Hi everybody, welcome back to our video. We are seeing a next of lecture series. This is Assistant Professor, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So today, in today's topic, we are going to see about a basic element in electrical engineering. So what is a basic elements of electrical engineering? So the basic elements, as we have already seen, we can classify into three different types of elements. The first one is being the topic of today's class, that is called as the resistor. The second one is second and third one are the storage devices, which is called as the inductor and capacitor. So now in this video, we'll deal about a complete what do you mean by a resistor. Come, let's go into the topic. Resistor. So the name itself suggests something about this part of this network that is called as resist. So what is this resistor? A resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. The ratio of the voltage applied across a resistor's terminal to the intensity of the current through the circuit is called as the resistance. So the ratio of the voltage applied across a resistor's terminal to the intensity of the current through the circuit is called as the resistance. So based on this definition of resistance can be given with this relation is represented by the Ohm's law, that is V is equal to I into R. So what is the unit and what is the symbol of a resistor? The ohm, which is otherwise symbolically represented as an inverted OC and two bottom lines, which is called as the ohm, is the SI unit of electrical resistance named after its inventor of George Simon Ohm. An ohm is equivalent to a volt per ampere. Other derived units are milliohm. 1 milliohm is equal to 10 power minus 3 ohms. Kilo ohms, 1 kilo ohm is equal to 10 power 3 ohms. And mega ohm, 1 mega ohm is equal to 10 power 6 ohm. So there are two types of resistors. One is a fixed resistor. Second one is a variable resistor. So what are the two types? One, as I told you, one is a fixed resistor. Second one is called as the variable resistor. What is the difference between the two? The fixed resistors are made up of carbon composite resistors, film resistors, wire-wound resistors, and resistance wires. So this is the different types of fixed resistances, where the values of the resistance is fixed during the manufacturing itself. You cannot change. Second types of resistances are the resistors where it is adjustable. That is, the value of the resistance can be adjusted or varied depending upon the requirements. Where the application, based upon the application, you can change the value of the resistor. So what are the variable resistors? Rheostats, potentiometers, thermistors, thumistors, varistor, and photoresistors. So these are the different types of variable resistances. So these carbon composite resistors. So what is a carbon composite resistor? So the image shows you the carbon composite resistor. It is low inductance, ideal for high frequency applications, very cheap to make, have very large tolerances. So you can see the different types of carbon composite resistors. So on the resistor, you have different color codings. So the value of the resistor can be found out with the help of these color codings using a basic formula of BB, basic abbreviation for BB Roy, Great Britain. Okay, so based on that, we can find out the value. You can easily remember how to find out the value of each color component, finally the total value of the resistors. So this is made up of different layers. The first layer is the carbon mixture, second layer is the insulating layer, and third layer is the connecting leads. This is about the carbon composite resistor. The next one is about the film resistor. So the resistor value of the resistor is controlled by increasing the desired thickness of the deposited film. So resistance up to 10 mega ohm can be obtained with such type of film resistors. Have the tolerance of 1% or even less. So this is made up of different layers. One is resistor film, a spiral groove in the insulating material and the connector leads. And the last one is called as the potentiometer type of resistor. This is a variable resistor. An example for a variable resistor. So here you can see three different leads. On the top, you have a pot. So that pot is called as the variable pot. A potentiometer is a pot in electronics technology, the three-terminal resistor with a sliding contact that forms an adjustable voltage divider. Potentiometers are commonly used to control electrical devices such as volume controls, joysticks, etc. So this is all about resistor. So finally, we can see about a humistor. A humistor is a type of resistor whose resistance varies significantly with humidity. A humidity sensor measures the humidity level by measuring the change in the resistance of the element. Thank you.